Hey guys, Derek Zan here with Valley Food Review and YourLifeVR. I'm here with Jeremy Hansen once again, and we've got something really interesting to review for you today. Coca-Cola Plus, imported from Japan. So, we got some of this stuff online, and as you can see, it's all kanji, but they do have an English label in the back. So we'll go ahead and post that up for y'all so y'all can see that. As a matter of fact, I'll put it up here on the screen while I read this to you. I'm going to read this from an article on today.com to give you a little background about this particular Coca-Cola. It says, while we can always count on Japan to be ahead of the curve when it comes to fun and unique food and drink spins, like Burger King's Black Burger, that was, definitely the Squid Ink. A new fortified version of sugar-free Coca-Cola being touted as a health drink has taken us by surprise. Each bottle of the new product, Coca-Cola Plus, contains 5 grams of indigestible dextrin, a source of dietary fiber that is known to work as a laxative. So, that's what it is. Basically, it's laxative Coca-Cola. That's interesting.
Now, what some of y'all might be actually thinking is this product actually going to be just regular Coca-Cola, or is it actually diet? Well, in this case, as you will see actually on the label, this is actually considered as a diet Coca-Cola type formula. No calories, no fat, no sugar, no cholesterol, no nothing. However, though, of course, as listed, there's the fiber on there, and you still have the caffeine as you would have in just about any soda. This 16-ounce bottle contains 45 milligrams of the caffeine, which is about level to what most of your Diet Cokes are going to be.
It's got a very unique bottle design. I noticed how it says Coca-Cola molded underneath the label like that. That's kind of cool. And then at the bottom, it seems to be almost the same, except the shape goes down further and then it kind of stops, and it's got like this skirt covering underneath. And this is it, Coca-Cola Plus. I hope I don't regret this decision later. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa. I don't think I've ever had a Coke want to explode when I opened it. Smells like regular Coke.
Yeah, see, actually, this, and just at a small sip, and I can already tell it actually is. It tastes like the regular Coke with maybe a slight mixture of the new Coke Zero formula.
Okay, I'm not a huge Diet Coke drinker, but you used to be, right?
Yeah.
You used to drink the Diet soda.
Well, still do occasionally, just not as much. That's what I'm saying.
To me, it does kind of taste like Diet Coke, but I get that really strong aspartame flavor when I drink it. You know, that kind of metallic.
Yeah, it's like tastes like metallic.
What do you think? What do you think compared to the
Like I
Diet
said,
Cokes?
it tastes kind of more like mixture of the Coke Zero with maybe just a hint of that regular Coke. It's not Diet Coke. Actually, to me, to be honest, the actual Diet Coke tastes real salty, and this actually doesn't taste salty.
So that's 15 milligrams of sodium, less than 1%.
This one I actually believe is less than what you would see in the regular like Diet Coke. I think that one's about 35 milligrams.
I just think it's cool that we got a Coca-Cola from Japan. That's very.
Okay. I like it.
Excuse me. Okay, it's doing something.
That's probably, I'll be honest with you, this one's it feels a little bit more carbonated.
It feels more carbonated. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So, what they were doing when they released this is they were marketing to, at least this is what I heard online, to older people because they need more fiber in their diet. So people who still like to drink soda but they want that fiber, Coca-Cola Plus fiber. If you like diet soda, you'll like this. Don't expect it to taste like regular Coca-Cola. It does taste like Diet Coca-Cola, but it's Coca-Cola. It's interesting. Like I said, I hope I don't regret this later. Like, what if I explode or something? I'll post that up later, huh? No, I'm not.
And then I'll be taking over if he does.
All right. Okay, guys. Well, Coca-Cola Plus, imported from Japan. Coca-Cola Plus, I don't want to say laxative, but plus fiber. And that's it. Do you feel any different?
Well, no, not really. I mean, I actually ingest a lot of fiber, but this is actually a good amount to have in one sitting, to be honest, because 3 per serving, there's almost 2 whole servings in this bottle, so that's actually not a bad start right there, to be honest.
Good. I mean, if you don't mind the aspartame, which, as most people know, is really not good for you.
Yeah.
it has the sucralose sweetener, which I figured they could have just done with that alone, not had to put the aspartame.
Yeah, some diet sodas actually stick multiple sweeteners in there to kind of sort of mask the actual flavor. But I'll be honest though, and that's the thing is that he'll vouch for me on this one. I'm a connoisseur when it comes to Japanese products, and this one I definitely got the thumbs up for sure. I like it.
Cool. Coca-Cola Plus. If you like Diet Coke, you'll like it. Oh man. So okay, update. It's been about what, like 20 minutes? Right?
About 20 minutes, yeah.
About 20 minutes or so, and I'm definitely feeling something. Like I feel like a little nausea, maybe. Like I don't know, kind of like a little unsettling. Kind of got a headache. It's weird. Like I feel like.
Well, shall I provide some insight on that?
Okay. Keep it PG.
No, I will. Don't worry. Alright, so here's the thing, folks. The reason why he's actually feeling that right now, it's nothing bad, really. That's just fiber actually going through your system right now, cleansing you, basically. It'll feel weird at first, especially if you don't get a lot of fiber in your diet every day. But a couple of days, you'll actually will be fine. So it's nothing to worry about, nothing to run to the doctor to or anything. You'll be good, okay? But this, still good stuff.
I like it. I still like it. I still like the flavor. Good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's it. And we'll see y'all next time with another review.
Bye.